Loving him is like driving a new Maserati down a dead-end street. Faster than the wind, passionate as sin, and it's all suddenly. Loving him is like trying to change your mind once you're already flying through the free fall. Like the colors in autumn, so bright, just before they lose it all. And losing him was blue like I never known. Missing him was dark, gray, all alone. Forgetting him was like trying to know somebody you never met. But loving him was red. Loving him was red. And you let it go. Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come so slow and they go so fast. See you whenever you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love it when you let it go. You only know you're high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love it when you let it go. Remembering him comes in flashbacks, and